Hello, welcome to the English Listening Room. I am happy you are here today. In this episode, I speak slowly and clearly so you can understand English easily. Today, we are going to talk about a student's daily routine and a mom's daily routine. You will hear simple English sentences. Just relax, listen, and enjoy learning. Are you ready? Let's begin.
My name is Sara, and I am a student. I am 12 years old, and I live with my family. Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m. When I wake up, I feel a little sleepy, but I try to smile. First, I make my bed. Then, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I brush my hair. Next, I go to the kitchen and eat breakfast. I usually eat eggs, bread, and cheese. Sometimes, I drink a cup of tea or milk. Breakfast gives me energy for the day. At around 7:45, I get dressed and prepare my school bag. I check my books, notebooks, and homework. Then, I go to school. I start school at 8 a.m. At school, I study English, math, science, and other subjects. My favorite subject is English because I enjoy learning new words. During the break, I talk with my friends and sometimes we play games. School finishes at 1 p.m. When I get home, I wash my hands and eat lunch with my family. We talk about our day, and I enjoy this time a lot. In the afternoon, I relax for a little while. I might watch TV, read a book, or take a short nap. Then, I do my homework. Homework is not always fun, but it helps me learn and improve. After homework, I sometimes go outside and play with my friends. We play football, ride bikes, or just talk. In the evening, I help my mom prepare dinner. I set the table and bring the plates and spoons. We eat dinner together at around 8 p.m. After dinner, I usually take a shower. Then, I spend some time with my family. Sometimes we watch a movie. Sometimes we talk, laugh, or listen to music. Before bed, I brush my teeth again, yes, twice a day. I also read a book for 10 minutes. Reading helps me relax. Finally, at around 10 p.m., I go to bed. I say goodnight to my family and sleep. And that is my daily routine.
Hello, everyone. My name is Susan. Today, I want to tell you about my daily routine as a mom.
I wake up early in the morning every day. When I get out of bed, I wash my face and drink a glass of water. Then, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast for my family. After cooking, I eat breakfast with my husband and my children. We love eating together. After breakfast, I clean the house. I wash the dishes, sweep the floor, and tidy up the rooms. I like keeping my home clean and nice. Later, I take care of my children. I play with them, help them with homework, and spend time talking with them. I love being with my kids. In the afternoon, I cook lunch or dinner. I try to make healthy and delicious food for my family. In the evening, I do some exercise at home. Sometimes I stretch, do yoga, or follow a short workout video. Exercise helps me stay strong and healthy. At night, we eat dinner together as a family. We talk about our day and enjoy our time together. Then, I help my children get ready for bed. I read them a story and give them a good night hug. After my kids sleep, I finally relax. I sit down, rest, and sometimes read a book. Then I go to bed and sleep. This is my daily routine as a mom.
I work hard every day, but I love my family, and I enjoy taking care of them. Thank you for listening to this episode. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some new English today. Now it's your turn. Write your daily routine in the comments. I would love to read it. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.